Today we're going to be taking a look at the Monster Nokia collaboration with the Purity Pro headsets. These were originally released in 2013, but thought it would be a little bit of a fun unboxing to do in 2018, considering these are still fresh in the box and unused. Nokia Monster collaboration is interesting because Monster was originally partnered with Beats, and in 2013 Monster actually stopped producing Beats headphones and started its own line. So this product is fresh off of that separation. So you can see some of the similarities with Monster and Beats in the packaging. And even on the headphones, you'll see later that there aren't any Nokia logos. As part of a little Easter egg or maybe some nostalgia, you can see on the box here on the very bottom that it mentions Symbian and also the Nokia N9 as products that are compatible when paired via Bluetooth. Despite listing those specific products, these headphones do work for other Bluetooth enabled handsets and also supports a physical connection with a 3.5mm cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the actual headphones themselves and inside the packaging. You can see that the outside has a sleeve. And then on the inside we do have nice packaging here. There is a magnetic flap and a pull tab. Once you open that up, it reveals the contents, which is the headphones. And then also there are two boxes that house the various accessories for the headphones. As you can see here, the headphones are securely locked into place. We'll go ahead and dive into the smaller of the two boxes. This box contains the AC adapter, 3.5mm headphone jack cable, also a micro USB cable. There's also a manual covering all the various features of the headphones themselves. So as you can see here, there is the Purity Pro headphone manual, the Nokia AC adapter. Now this is a power brick that is USB. Then we have the color matched 3.5mm headphone jack. You can see one side is a standard straight pin, while the other side has a nice right angle to it. And we also have the micro USB to USB adapter. This is used to charge the headphones. Again, you can use any set that you have, but they are included within the box. And then lastly, a warranty card for the unit itself. Inside the second taller box, we have a carrying case. Nothing fancy here. Simple black mesh exterior with a white interior with pockets. There also is a carabiner on the top that will allow you to clip it. Now we can get to the meat of this unboxing, which is the actual headphones themselves. You can see that the pair is quite large, but luckily for travel they fold up to a compact size. Despite being a Nokia Monster collaboration, we only see Monster logos on the headphones. So we can see the Monster logo prominently on the side here, Purity Pro, and then again on the other side we have the same logos. The adjustments are firm and smooth, and the cushion feels fairly good on the ears. On the right hand side we have volume adjustments with up and down arrows. On the left hand side we have music control, so we have play, pause in the middle, and forward and reverse, and also an answer and hang up button. On the bottom we have the micro USB port, LED, and also 3.5mm port. And on the right side we have a Bluetooth button. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the 2013 Purity Pro headphones by Monster and Nokia. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.